Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to search and save a pin on Pinterest. Now, once you sign into your Pinterest account, you can either go to your home, or I would say use the explore button on the lower left hand side. Is the third button down, and once you click here, you'll be taken over to where you can explore on Pinterest. Now you have different categories that you can choose from, or you can go ahead and you can search for something. So I'm going to go ahead and use a search and probably search for something like tech. And once I go ahead and search for technology as an example, I will be finding a bit of things here that I can choose for. You can also go into different categories as you wish. Let's say, for example, I am interested in anything with website design or AI. I can easily go ahead and do so. So let me just go across and see if I find anything with the word AI. Might not. But if not, I'm just going to go ahead and type in AI technology or technology AI. And if I come across anything that I really like that I want to pin, let's take for example of this image here. I can simply go ahead and click on save, and that's it. I now have that saved. And you may be wondering, okay, when I save these different pins, where do I find them? It's very easy. All you have to do is simply go ahead and go to your profile in the upper right hand side, click on that, and it's going to take you over to where you can see your boards and pins. Now, you don't want to look for them on the pinned or boards. Just simply scroll down and you will find them under unorganized. And the reason why they're under unorganized is because you haven't created a board, and so these are not organized. So in the future video, I'm going to show you how to quickly organize these and even put them into your own boards and so forth. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.